Do you fancy doing this Beetlejuice-inspired top? Join along! So after accidentally creating my daughter a Beetlejuice-inspired trousers, she only wanted a Halloween outfit from this stripy fabric, and look how canny are they. I decided to make something for myself as well. So let's get the fabric over. I think I'm gonna cut out both sides at the same time, so the stripes need to be that way. So I've cut a suitable piece of fabric out, making sure the lines match up. Taking old vest that I really love, draw a pattern, 1/2 of the fabric, fold the fabric in half, make sure it lines up, and then just cut it out, leaving a seam allowance. Might be easier with scissors. So that's the pattern for the back. For the front we need to cut a little bit extra off. I could actually leave the seams on the top of the shoulder uncut. So let's just see what the difference on the front needs to be. Let's draw it on. Let's fold that together again and cut it out. So that's for the front. And so let's get our machine to get out. That's all. So easiest way to sew this Scuba fabric is overlocker. Don't really need to secure the edges because the fabric is actually Scuba, so it doesn't fray. I still want to strengthen the edges. So armholes first, the other one. Do the neck hole next. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Can I put this around it? Is it going to stretch too much? No, it looks alright. Start from the back, I think. So I need to circle the fabric around. Next sides. I think at this point I'm gonna do a little bit of pinning. A bit misaligned, but I think that's fine. I'll start this one from the bottom because I want the seams to be falling the same way. after that it's worth trying it on just to make sure it fits. Could even leave it like that. Back, I think it's good. So black on the sides, really nice. Black in the middle, black at the back. Perfect. Overlocked edge is quite cool actually. That's how you do it. As easy as that. So now we know it fits me quite tightly. I think, yeah, the bottom was too long. So I've marked the length I actually want and that it fits nicely. I will be stitching the edges as well. I think the bottom is gonna be cut and then overlocked. So let's do that. This is now how they would teach you to do sewing in schools. I'm sure this is completely my way of sewing. Can't believe how easy it is to sew with the Scuba fabric. I think it's one of my favorite fabrics now. If you're lucky, I might put the fabric up for sale as well because I've got so much. Although I am planning doing myself a full suit now as well as a challenge. I just love the fabric. So we're gonna swap the machines over now. I think I just need to choose the right stitch now. I'm gonna pin it first. Can't trust myself. Good. Whew. Oh my goodness, love it. Inside as well. Look how good. Oh my goodness. Let me do more stuff today. It's my lucky day. Right, off to finish the other side and I'll show you the final product. So here we are with the final product. Super heavy, very effective. Simple scuba vest on stripes, black and white stripes. Not inspired by Beetlejuice.